make a monkey out of me.
Where'd she go?
This way, I think.
Okay, change me back. Hey! Whoa!
Jade. Toru.
Jackie, those dark hand guys were after me, so I turned myself into a monkey, and then this other monkey took the talisman and...
Go away.
Duh! Monkeys don't speak English.
Jade? You know where Jade is? Oh, an arrow. Thank you, little monkey.
No! Jackie!
Ratso!
That's Ratso? Tell me what you've done with Jade.
Kid zapped Ratso. The next thing we know, that monkey had the talisman.
Jade turned Ratso into a rat and herself into a monkey? I'm a monkey's uncle. Jade!